Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Developers. Today in this video we will learn the installation of GitHub. So these are the steps that we need to follow to install the Git on your system. So I'm using the Windows, so we will start with installing the Git on Windows. Now let's open your browser and search Google with word Git, then go to downloads. So not this link, yes, this is the download the appropriate version for your Git. So my system is 64-bit, so I'm downloading it. So once it's download, we will install this file, this exe file. So let's wait till download. So the file is downloaded. So let's go back and check the downloads. So start installing this. So let's start the installation process. Click on next. It will ask you to create a folder. Click on next. The folder is already exist. I want to install. Yes, the folder was already exist, so the message was appeared. So just click on next. Create the browser. Click on next. 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 So once this installation finished, we need to set the environment variable. So now we can check if it happen. Okay. So the Git is installed, the Git version. So if it is not working for you, you need to set the environment variable. We'll set the environment variable version command. Now go to environment variable, text, and set the path. Set the path for the list, because we have installed this. So Git is installed here, so we need to set this path. Just copy this path and set it here. okay, click on it. So git is installed. So